Welcome to The Pitch, a RePlastic Pharmaceuticals, where we take plastic close to the heart. 300 million tons. That's the amount of plastic wasted every year that ends up in landfills, lakes, and oceans. Since 1950, 8.3 billion tons of plastic have been wasted. These plastics are responsible for the death of many sea creatures and birds, as they're mistaken for food. However, our team has a solution to this major issue. Hey, my name is Venkata Yenuganti, and along with my teammate Alan Samineedi, we've come up with a new solution to this issue. Combining Alan's engineering skills and medical knowledge with my extensive business skills, we were able to successfully create RePlastics.
Here at RePlastics, we have found a solution to the problem of plastic waste. We can use the process of pyrolysis in order to convert this plastic waste into heart valves. But what does that even mean? Pyrolysis is decomposition of materials in an inert atmosphere. An inert atmosphere is an atmosphere without oxygen or carbon dioxide. Plus, pyrolysis also requires high temperatures. Pyrolysis takes place inside a pyrolysis chamber, and at the end of it, pyrolytic carbon residue should be formed. This is the main component of our bioleaflets. What even is a heart valve? A heart valve is a flap in your heart that lets the heart perform the cardiac cycle of letting blood flow in and out of the heart. For some people, these valves may be damaged or not functioning properly, which requires heart valve implants. Why pyrolytic carbon specifically? It is one of the most durable materials, lasting 20 to 30 years without replacement in a heart valve. However, the main reason for using it is its low danger of thrombosis or blood clotting, which is integral for a heart valve as we need to maintain safety standards. First, we will extract plastic waste from places such as landfills, rivers, oceans, wherever it piles up. We will put this waste through a cleaning process such as washing in water and chemicals, granulation, and pelletization. We will pyrolyze this plastic into petroleum, then pyrolyze the petroleum into pyrolytic carbon. Once pyrolytic carbon is derived, we will use pressurized heating and shaping to mold the carbon into bioleaflets. We will then assemble, sterilize, and ship the finished heart valves.
Now onto the prototype and its competitive advantages. We've consulted multiple companies with this idea, and graphical representation modeled for you here in a far simpler depiction than the one we sent. Our graphical model emulates our final product in 3 key ways, which is the movable leaves to show blood flow, the representation of tungsten and silicon to accurately represent the shape, and the emulation of shape from St. Jude's bioleaflets to ensure that we're actually making a successful product. Now onto our competitive advantages. On the business side of things, our product remains competitive in the marketplace due to having a high quality while offering a product to consumers at lower prices. As we see with the 12 other major competitors, their prices range from 30 grand as seen with Edwards and Medtronic all the way to 3 grand as seen by Onyx Canada. However, we offer the best of both worlds. Marketing is essential to a pharmaceutical industry, and the same would apply to us. Our advantage also extends to the marketing aspect of this business. Currently, all the hospitals provide near similar services in the same quality in the US. Therefore, all the differences come down to marketing, which influences consumer bias. If one hospital markets themselves as environmentally friendly after purchasing our products, consumer bias will be shifted towards them, therefore making them more profit. However, since all hospitals are essentially similar, competitors in the hospital industry would also purchase our products to copy the same advertising model, which increases profits for both the hospitals and us. Here at RePlastics, we also utilize the just-in-time approach to maximize efficiency. Instead of simply stockpiling heart valves, we only hold raw materials. The same strategy was also used by Dell, who only assembled the computer and hardware after an order was filed. The benefits of this? The key benefits were not losing money on products I didn't sell, not wasting warehouse storage, and avoiding depreciation of products. We hope to use the same strategy and emulate it for the same results. Using estimations along with regression lines from past startup pharmaceutical companies' growth percentages and company profit writ large, we come to find that in its very first year, RePlastic would have a 60 million market share out of the 4.4 billion bioleaflet industry and a $6.5 billion global heart valve. Although at the start, we only have a 0.1 market stake, this will expand over time. After evaluating our assets, factoring depreciation and running costs, we found that we'd make 20.4 million in the first year with a constant growth. Although these numbers may seem improbable at first glance, just by selling 5,000 heart valves a year, we can make $20.4 million. Upon doing more research, we found that the initial investment needed is far below the expected final income in the first year itself, showing this venture's profitability.
Thank you. We would like to give McKesson and Abbott Laboratories a special thanks for their time and insight on this project. Thank you for watching our presentation. Have a nice day.